Hello, good morning, one and everyone. Last time in statistics we have studied the initial part of chapter number 3, that is regression analysis. In general, there are two regression lines, regression line of y on x and regression line of x on y. Today we are going to take one important method of this chapter, in which x bar and y bar both are completely integer values. In our textbook, page number 123, example number 3. Time taken for car repairing in man hours, that is variable x, and expenditure in thousands of rupees, y. Data for x and data for y are given, variable x and variable y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, value of small n equal to 6. First of all, compute or calculate x bar and y bar both. X bar means sigma x upon n, y bar means sigma y upon n. Total of x 204 divided by 6, answer will be 34. Total for y 174 upon 6, value of y bar is 29. One important thing is that x bar and y bar both are completely integer values, whole numbers. And that is why we apply this method to prepare the table: column of x, column of y, x minus x bar, then y minus y bar, x minus x bar whole square, and finally x minus x bar into y minus y bar. Data for x and y remain as it is, x and y. Now subtract x bar from the value of x. X bar is 34. Therefore 32 minus 34, answer becomes minus 2. 40 minus 34, answer becomes 6. 25 minus 34, answer becomes minus 9. 29 minus 34, minus 5, and so on. Similarly, subtract y bar from each value of y. 25 minus 29, minus 4. 35 minus 29, answer is 6. 80 minus 29 become minus 11. After calculating x minus x bar and y minus y bar, make the square of x minus x bar whole square. Minus 2 square is 4. 6 square is 36. Minus 9 square equal to 81. Minus 5 square is 25. Therefore x minus x bar whole square. And in the final column, x minus x bar and y minus y bar product means multiplication. Minus 2 into minus 4, 8. 6 into 6, 36. Minus 11 into 9, 99. Minus 7 into minus 5, 35. So on. Minus become plus. Minus plus sign. Minus plus sign. Minus plus sign. But 1 is positive, minus 1 is negative. Therefore minus 1 is there. And 17 into 9, 153. Then make the total of each and every column. Now, in general, we make use of regression line of y on x. Here we have to estimate the expenditure when repairing hours, man hours is given 50 hours. Obtain the regression line of expenditure on hours, that is repairing hours, and hence estimate the value of expense when man hours is 50 hours. Now regression line of y on x, equation is given by y cap equal to a plus bx, and b means byx. This b means byx. Now first of all calculate b and hence a. b means what? byx. Sigma x minus x bar into y minus y bar upon sigma x minus x bar whole square. Therefore division of these two numbers 330 and 228. Total 330, total 228. Therefore 330 upon 228. Answer will be 1.45. Therefore, value of b, this b means byx, regression coefficient of y on x. With the value of b and x bar y bar, we can compute a equal to y bar minus b times x bar. Y bar is 29, x bar is 34, b is 1.45. This multiplication is 49.3. And ultimately, the value of a is minus 2020.3. After computing A and B, substitute the values of A and B in the equation. This is mathematical chapter rather than statistical. Simple equation is there, linear equation is there. One is unknown variable, another is known variable. Unknown variable is known as dependent variable. Here y depends on x. Expenses depend upon hours. As hour changes, man-hour changes, their expenditure also changes. Therefore, y cap equal to a plus bx. Substitute the value. A equal to minus 20.3, b is 1.45, and value of x is given to be 15. Further simplification, multiplication of these two quantities, 72.5 minus 20.3, answer become 52.2 in thousands of rupees. Thousands of rupees, because y is given in term of thousand, sometime lakh, etc. Whatever may be unit is given. Therefore, estimated expenditure of car repairing is 52.2 thousand of rupees, when the time taken is 5050 man hours. This way we have to calculate y for given value of x, and the equation of y on x. This is the regression line of y on x. Y cap a plus bx 20.3 minus sign 1.45 times x. This is the regression line of y on x. X is given to be 5050, therefore we have to substitute this. Be careful about simplification, about calculation, about sign, that you can get full marks. 3 to 4 marks this example can be asked. This is the very first numerical method in this chapter, in which x bar and y bar both are completely integer values. And in correlation and regression, this table almost remains same. While the calculation is little different. Equation, compute B, compute A, substitute value, simplify and get the answer. This is the very simple method. Okay? We practice at home, and further in the next lecture we are going to see the different method of this set. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much.